Hey there, I just wanted to make a little announcement that I'll be taking some time off social media. I haven't taken a break in a very long time. I think the last time was in the beginning of the year, and that wasn't really a break, and it's been a heavy year. So I'm forcing myself to take a vacation to recharge my batteries and come back refreshed with some new content for you. So that means I won't be posting any new workouts for the next week, but I still really want you to continue your journey. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna launch my Black Friday sale earlier this year for my app and website. Use the code BLACKFRIDAY40 to get 40% off the 6-month plan. This will give you unlimited access to all my full-length beginner workouts. It will give you access to the Justin Agustin fitness app for your phone, your tablet, and your smart TV, and of course your computer. Go to justinaugustin.com and input the code BLACKFRIDAY40. Thank you so much to all my current members. Your support makes all these videos possible. I'm gonna take a little break, but I'll be back. See you soon, and keep going. You got this.